Mei the Panda, A Life in the Bamboo Forest. English with Miss Julia. These stories are designed to support your English learning and introducing new vocabulary and suggesting you practice your pronunciation. That being said, let's get started. Mei was born in a quiet bamboo forest in China. She was small, soft, and full of curiosity. Her mother stayed close to protect her. The forest was her first home. As May grew, she began to explore. She watched the birds and listened to the wind. The bamboo trees moved gently around her. She felt safe and calm. Her mother showed her how to find food. Pandas eat bamboo every day. May tried her first bite slowly. She liked the crunchy taste. Every morning, May followed her mother. They walked through the forest together. She learned where the best bamboo grew. She was learning to survive. The forest was full of sounds. Birds sang high in the trees. Insects buzzed quietly nearby. May listened carefully to everything. One day, May climbed her first tree. She held the branches tightly. She looked down and felt proud. It was her first big achievement. During the afternoon, May rested. Pandas sleep many hours each day. She found a soft place to lie down. The forest was peaceful. One day, May saw a small stream. The water moved slowly over the rocks. She touched it with her paw. It felt cool and fresh. Her mother showed her how to drink safely. They stayed close to the edge. May learned to be careful. Safety was very important. As the seasons changed, so did the forest. The weather became cooler. The bamboo grew thicker. May adapted to the changes. One day May got lost. She could not see her mother. She felt scared, but stayed calm. She remembered what she had learned. May followed the smell of bamboo. She listened for familiar sounds. Soon she found her way back. She felt relieved and happy. If you're enjoying this story thus far, please click the like button and do consider subscribing to our channel. This way you may be alerted of our next story. Her mother was proud of her. May had been brave. She had trusted her instincts, and this made her stronger. As May grew older, she explored more. She walked further each day. She discovered new parts of the forest. She loved learning. May met other animals. Some were shy, others were friendly. She watched them carefully. She learned to respect them. One day May helped a small bird. It was stuck in a bush. She gently moved the branches. The bird flew away safely. May felt happy helping others. Kindness made her feel strong. She wanted to help whenever she could. It became part of who she was. The rainy season arrived. Rain fell heavily for many days. May stayed close to her mother. They stayed safe together. After the rain, the forest looked fresh. New plants grew everywhere. There was plenty of food, and May enjoyed the bright days. May became stronger each day. She could climb higher trees. She could walk longer distances. She felt confident. One morning, May watched the sunrise. The sky turned orange and pink. The forest slowly woke up. It was a beautiful moment. May learned when to rest. She knew when to explore. She understood balance. This helped her stay healthy. Sometimes May played alone. She rolled on the grass, she climbed small hills, and she enjoyed simple fun. As time passed, May became an adult. She was calm and wise. She knew the forest well. She felt at home. May built her own resting place. She chose a quiet part of the forest. It was peaceful and safe. It became her home. She continued to eat bamboo every day. It gave her energy. It kept her strong. It was her main food. May sometimes visited her mother. They spent time together. They rested and ate bamboo. Their bond stayed strong. The forest continued to change, but May adapted each time. She trusted her experience. She felt prepared. One night, May looked at the stars. They shone brightly above her. She felt calm and peaceful. She was grateful. May understood her place in nature. She respected the forest. She lived in harmony. This made her life balanced. Other young pandas began to explore. They followed similar paths. They learned from their experiences, and the cycle continued. May watched them carefully. She saw herself in them. She hoped they would grow strong and she felt proud. Her life was simple but meaningful. She had learned many lessons. She had grown from a small cub. She was now wise. The bamboo forest remained her home. It gave her everything she needed. She respected it deeply. It was part of her life. And so May the panda lived peacefully. She loved her home and her life. Every day brought something new. Her life was a beautiful journey. Thank you for reading this story with us. If you have not done so yet, please click the like button and do consider subscribing to our channel. This way you may read more stories and assist us in reaching learners from all over the world and assist them with their English learning. We look forward to seeing you in our next story.